Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your maps to Google Maps on the Shipt Driver app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your default map to Google. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Shipt Driver app. Next, click on the hamburger icon in the top left-hand corner. Then click on your profile icon in the top left-hand corner again. From this page, scroll down and then click on Preferences. And then here is where underneath Preferred Maps app, click on Google Maps. So once you do so, that's going to go ahead and change your default map to Google Maps, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your preferred maps to Google Maps on the Shipt Driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.